Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, I will show you how to update your Amazon Fire TV device in just a few easy steps. Keeping your Amazon Fire TV device updated helps with performance, security, and access to the latest features. So let's jump right in. First, from your Fire TV home screen, use your remote control to scroll all the way to the right and select Settings. You might need to select the gear icon if you're using a newer layout. Next, scroll down and choose My Fire TV. This is where all the device information and system settings live. Now, select About and then scroll down to check for updates. If an update is available, it'll appear here. It may already start to download any available update. Just select it and hit Install Update. If there is an update, your Fire TV will download it, then automatically restart to install. This can take a few minutes, so just be patient. Once it boots back up, you're all set. If your device is already up to date, you'll see a message confirming that. Note that if you power your Fire TV device via the USB port on the TV, then you may find that your Fire TV device may not have enough power to perform the update, displaying the following error message: USB power warning. The USB power may not be sufficient for a system update. We recommend using the included USB cable and Amazon Power adapter for best results. So either power your Fire TV device from a power point, or use a device like this, as linked in the description below. And that's it. You've just updated your Fire TV device. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, making sure that you turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on any future releases. These small actions from you make a big difference. They help improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers, and play a crucial role in growing the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.